Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bing AI tool. We'll do a lot of things with Bing AI tool. For example, I will show you how to use it for simple search, how to compare two different dates to each other, how to analyze with Bing AI tool, how to generate ideas, how to write essays, and also I will show you how to solve math problems with Bing AI tool. So we will do a lot of things. Watch this video until the end and don't forget to click the like button. Likes are super important for us. And before we begin the video, if you don't have access to Bing AI tool still, you can watch my video about Bing AI tool, and in that video I'll show you step by step how to get access early to Bing AI tool and how to be in the whitelist. So let's begin today's tutorial. Let's start with the simple search, how to use Bing AI tool for the simple search. For example, name top 5 countries with highest inflation rates by 2022. So let's ask Bing AI tool and let's wait for the answer. Okay guys, Bing AI tool gave us the response and you can see Venezuela had the biggest inflation rate in 2022 guys. We can also ask Bing AI tool to compare some information to each other. For example, compare criminal rates between Paris and Berlin. Use latest dates. Bing AI tool gave us the response. The crime index for Paris was 61.37 and for Berlin was 44.13 as of February 2023. This means that Paris is perceived as having a higher level of crime than Berlin by its residents and visitors. Also, I asked Bing AI tool to name the cheapest European city by living cost, and you can see the results here. On the first place is Pristina, the capital of Kosovo. So there is the lowest living costs in entire Europe, guys. Another example, I asked Bing Chat to write an argumentative essay about the topic. What do you think the voting age should be raised, lowered, or left as is? And also I gave the hint to support the lowering idea, guys. And as you can see, Bing AI tool wrote an essay for me, an argumentative essay with different arguments about why it's better to lower the voting age, and you can see the conclusion. I believe that the voting age should be lowered to 16 because it would respect the rights and responsibilities of young people. Foster their political awareness and participation. So you can use Bing AI to write a college essays, to write a school essays. It's up to you guys. This tool is also helpful in writing essays. Also guys, I asked to write a children's story about cat and dog for 4 to 6 years old children, and it wrote the story. As you can see, once upon a time there was a cat named Fluffy and a dog named Spot. They lived in the same house with their human family. So this is a story for children. And also we can do a simple thing. We can generate a Midjourney prompt about this story, guys. I asked to generate an AI image prompt for children's storybook cover, guys, and this tool generated a prompt, and now I will test this prompt in Midjourney. So let's go to Midjourney. Let's type imagine prompt and let's paste this whole prompt here and let's wait for the result. Midjourney finished its job and it gave us this illustration for the cover of the children book. We can also make some variations. We can upscale these images and we can use these images for the children's storybook cover. Okay, let's get back to Bing AI, and now we can use Bing AI to solve math problems, guys. Maybe you are studying at school and you want to solve your math problems, guys, and I will show you how to do it. Guys, you can simply take a picture in your math book and you just need to go to Google Images. You need to upload this picture here. And once you upload the picture, you can copy any of the text from the picture. For example, this one, let's copy this text. Let's go to Bing AI and let's paste it here. And let's wait for the answer. Bing AI tool will solve this problem for us being calculated, and it gave us answer. It also includes how it went to this answer. Here are some formulas. Let's read the math problem. Zach was so busy one week that he forgot he had a 100-point paper to do for his English class. Each day that is late, the teacher takes 5% of the total score. If he turns it in 3 days late, what is the highest grade he can possibly get? And as you can see, if he is 3 days late, he will lose 15 points, and the highest grade he can get is 85 points. As you can see, guys, in conclusion, Bing AI tool is very helpful. You can use Bing AI tool in different things, for example, generating ideas, writing an essays, writing a children's storybooks, analyzing some information, comparing some information. It can also find some reviews about the hotels, about some restaurants, guys. So this tool is very useful, and also it's better than ChatGPT, and I will tell you why. The ChatGPT's knowledge database is very small because it includes the period of time until 2021, and this tool includes all of the information until today, guys. So this tool is better than ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video. Likes will be very important for me. See you in the next video.